So we're gonna do... Whoa.
Good morning, guys. It is Saturday. I'm about to go get a cardio workout in. Nothing too crazy because I'm still not feeling 100% myself. I have a cold. It's been like a week almost and it's just been crazy. I feel like my sunglasses are a little crooked, but I have to throw these on because, girl, okay, like, I don't want to scare you guys. I'm just kidding. I'm just drinking some pre-workout so I could get a good pump in, but I do have some new makeup to show you guys, so I will show you guys that later once I get home.
Just got home, I took a shower, and I was thinking about doing my makeup on here using some of my everyday makeup stuff. I also have some new stuff I've been really loving, so I figured I would show you guys in this clip right here. And I do have some PR packages that I want to show you guys a little bit later, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, let's just throw some makeup on my face. So this is everything that I'm going to be using on my face right now. So we're going to do... Wow. I'm going to try to leave these gym brows on, but they're probably going to come off because, I don't know, we'll see. I don't feel like doing my brows over. I'm just going to conceal under my eyes. I'm going to use Huda Beauty Kunufa powder under my eye. You guys, like, I honestly like this shade a little bit better than the Fenty version of it, you know? Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna just put this under here. This is Deep 200 in Kat Von D's Lock-It Powder Foundation. Girl, I am literally obsessed. I tried this for the first time yesterday and I'm in love. I feel like, yo, I love this thing. I am completely in love with it. Oh my goodness, I love it. The coverage is amazing. It looks so good. The coverage is amazing. I definitely got some powder on my hairline, but don't mind that. I'm gonna use this brush from Andrea Renee in Peach and Pearl. So these brushes are actually really good, so get you some. All right, I'm gonna bronze my face. I'm using the new Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette in Dark to Deep. I love, love, love this one. I use the middle shade to sculpt my face, and the highlighter is so pretty. So this is what I use from it. The deepest one is actually too deep for me, which is a good thing because for anybody who is deeper, yes girl, there is a shade for you. The other one I used to use was medium to dark, I think. And I used to use the darkest shade in that one to contour. So I just like this sculpting shade a little bit better. Use the highlight shade to highlight my face. Oh, I forgot my blush. I'll do blush after. I'm gonna highlight my face. I'm gonna do blush after because I totally forgot. But I'm using the highlight from the same palette. It's so pretty. I'm just gonna use the same brush because I can't find another one to just put some of the Charlotte Tilbury blush on. I feel like I put too much, but whatever. I'm gonna dab some on my nose. I don't know what's with all the shoulder action. Clearly my pre-workout is still in my system. I'm gonna touch up on my brows. I was watching Carly Bible and she was talking about bringing your brows closer to help with the whole nose contour thing. And I was taking notes, you know. My hands are ashy, don't judge me. I have a big bottle of Eucerin right here. I'm gonna use it once I'm done. I just didn't want to put lotion on my hand first because sometimes that just, you know, gets in the way of things. I'm gonna put on some mascara. I have 3 right here. I've been loving the new Covergirl one called Exhibitionist. It's really nice. It reminds me of Better Than Sex, but it's better in price. So we're gonna put this on. This is the wand right here. Ooh, this is the wand. This is probably my favorite CoverGirl mascara ever. It's really, really good. And it's super, super black. Like, it's really black, you guys. It's so black. I love it. I'm also going to use some of the Wonderfully Real from Rimmel London. And I have the shade Extreme Black. I just noticed there was 3 different shades and 3 different colors or levels of black. And yeah, I'm obsessed with Extreme Black. My mascara is on, and I love how dark and like thick this combo is. So I used these 2 on my top lashes here, and then the bottom lash I only used this one from MAC. It's perfect. And for my lips, I'm gonna use the Marc Jacobs lip gloss stick in Candy Bling. I've been obsessed with this thing. Like, I don't even know if it's that serious, but I've been obsessed. I'm gonna use the Hangover RX spray to set my face. Let me just make sure it sprays good. Smells so good. And then I'm gonna just use some lotion because I am looking real ashy. So I'm gonna finish my protein shake, and then I'm gonna go make a turkey burger for lunch, and I will show you guys maybe that. So I'm gonna make my turkey burger. It's from Trader Joe's. Okay, I'm using these from Trader Joe's. I'm gonna use this Fiber One 90-calorie thin sandwich roll for the burger. It has 90 calories and it has 19 grams of carbs, 6 proteins. This is my burger. The toppings are crazy, but it's a couple hours later, and I wanted to show you guys what I got makeup wise, and also a couple PR packages that I got this week. It's haul time. I got this BH Cosmetics Hanging in Hawaii palette, and it is a 16 color eyeshadow palette. I am obsessed. I love anything tropical themed, so I had to get this. I got this at Ulta, and this is what the inside looks like. I also went to Lush and got this American Cream shower gel because Jackie Aina recommended it. It smells really, really good, you guys. Like, it smells so good. Also from Ulta, I got the Morphe 9G Oh My Gorge palette. I mostly got this because of the name, Oh My Gorge. I thought it was such a clever play on words. You guys, like, anything can get me. Alright, so this is what the inside looks like. I thought it was also really pretty and like a beautiful wintry palette. I feel like it's like a January palette, although we're now in February, the birthday month. What's up? What's up? If you're born in February, comment down below. I also went to Sephora. I got the new Grip-In Primer from Cover FX. It's supposed to grip your foundation on and help it stay on your face longer, so I'm gonna try that out. So hopefully it lives up to the claim. I also got the Urban Decay Brow Blade, which I've been trying out for the past week. I've been wearing this on my brows, and I did a review on it, so you guys will see that video. I got this Bobbi Brown Crushed Liquid Lipstick in the color Big Apple. I've really been into these colors lately, like this reddish tone, like pinky color. Like, I'm trying not to do too much neutral. Like, I'm trying to, you know, diversify my lip color selections. So, whoa. I also got a beautiful package from Covergirl with the Full Spectrum collection. It's a huge box with the whole collection. I'm just picking out some of my favorite things from it, and I have the foundation, which I will do a video with this foundation. It reminds me of another Covergirl foundation. It actually even smells the same. And this is the eyeshadow palette, a cheek palette, which I like, and another cheek palette, which I really like. So I'll show you guys this full collection in the video because it's a lot of stuff. I just picked out a few of them. That line was actually designed for women of color, so it's really, really awesome to have, you know, a lot. They also have the Queen collection, so Covergirl is really like there for us, you know, like they're there. Covergirl also sent me the Exhibitionist mascara, which you guys saw me use earlier. So I used the regular extra black version earlier. This is the waterproof version, so they sent both of them in this cute little package that unfolds. So yeah, this is the little insert. I do think it's really good. Next, I got this package from Pixi. Pixi, when it comes to PR package design. They are like, this is what it looks like in the box. All right, so they sent over this box, which I thought was a pair of sunglasses at first because, you know, it looked like that, but it's actually brushes. So I think it's really cute. I definitely would store sunglasses in here because it looks like a cute sunglass case. This palette, it is called Natural Beauty, and there's some eyeshadows in there. One of them did shatter, so I'm not gonna open that and make a mess on my bed. There's also this one, which is called Reflect Light. Oh no, Reflects Light. So I'll show you guys. Wow, so they're really, really buttery and smooth. I guess that's why I just broke one. And let me try this one right here. These feel so good. Oh my gosh, what's in this thing? These are the 4 that I swatched. Do you see how beautiful? Oh my gosh, they're so creamy and like, whoa. So I'm gonna show you guys what I got from Boxycharm. This is the February Boxycharm. And I was actually really excited about it. Like, when I opened it, I was shook. This is the box here. The first thing is the No Problem Primer. I was obsessed with this thing a couple years ago and I kind of forgot about it. I'm so happy I got it back in my life because I'm definitely going to be using it. It is from Touch and Soul. So this is this primer. It also has the Better Than Sex mascara from Too Faced. And this is one of my favorites. Actually, the new Covergirl mascara reminds me of this one, so I think that's pretty funny. Then they also send this nude sticks in the color Copper Foil. This is one of their magnetic luminous eye colors. I love coppery bronze tones, so I know I'm gonna love this. Let me just try it out. This is definitely the best Boxycharm I've ever gotten. Like, I think I'm gonna use every single one of these things except for one. This is it right here. Right here. It's so pretty, you guys. I'm gonna put it on my eye right now. So pretty. The mailman just drove by. I wonder if he left me anything. It's so pretty. The next thing is from Pretty Vulgar, and it is a Sparkling Sass highlighter. The color is Shimmering Swan, and there's mirror packaging so I can see myself. This is like a funhouse mirror back here. Woo! Alright, so this is what it looks like up close. This highlighter feels kind of pearly. This is the shade here. The last thing I got in here was so funny to me because if you guys don't know, on January 1st, I found out I was allergic to cocoa butter. I found out because of this product right here. I got the full size at Sephora because it had just launched and I really wanted to try it. I love coconut scented things, so I was going for this for that reason. I ended up getting this huge allergic reaction. My whole body was covered in hives, everything, like except my face basically. I thought it was really funny that they had this in here. I did return the one that I bought, but I will give this to someone because I really love the scent of it. Anyways, I think I'm gonna end this vlog here because I don't have nothing else exciting going on today. I'm just gonna have dinner and probably watch a movie on Netflix. I don't know. If you enjoy my vlogs, give me a thumbs up. It really helps out my channel. Also subscribe to my channel and click the little notification bell. That way you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you so much again for watching, and I'll see you in the comment section down below.